You can never make a life-changing money in crypto without knowing this. In this video, I'll be teaching you proven investing strategies that will make you millions in crypto. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscription button and subscribe. But if you are old in this channel, if you are not new to this channel, kindly like the video and let's get at it. Okay, make millions in crypto through investing. Okay, there are two problems that people have, that people that want to invest do have when it comes to crypto asset. So one of the problem is that they don't have the right strategies to use in investing. Okay, every investment should have a strategy, a proven strategy that work, which means a strategy that has delivered results in the past. And secondly, the timing that you use in investing matter a lot. Okay, if the time is wrong, then the investment won't yield. But if it is right, the investment will yield. Okay. Now, the first thing we need to do is to look at the difference. What is the difference between investing and trading? Okay, I believe you have heard a lot about investing and trading. So we'll be looking at it. We'll be looking at what are the difference, what make them different. Investing is spending time in the market, while trading is timing the market. So which simply means investment has to do with a long time, okay, and trading has to do with a very short period of time. So investing could be taking 1 to 4 years before making a profit. Trading could be 1 minute, 1 hour, and 1 day and weeks. Okay, so let's look at this chart. Looking at this chart, you have when you come to this place, this trading view. When you come to this place, you see 1 second, 5 seconds, 10 minutes, 10 seconds to 15 seconds, 30 seconds. Okay, when you go down, you see hours, you see minutes, you see hours, you see days. Okay, and so on and so forth. So this is built, okay, for traders. Okay, people that are timing the market, people that are predicting that the market will go up or the market will go down. So it is meant for them, and they actually make profit. The good ones make profit. Okay. Now, but when it comes to investing, you are looking at you're looking at a long period of time, like years. Okay, 1 year, 2 year, 3 years. How do I know that? Okay, so let's look at this. Okay, there's what we call Bitcoin halving. Okay. Now let's look at the first Bitcoin halving happened in 2012. In 2012, and so you can see that the initial price before halving, we had the price of Bitcoin was $12, and after 150 days after halving it was $127. You can see halving is always 4 years. Okay, the next one was 2016. The price at halving was $650, and you can see that 150 days after that it was $758. Okay, the 2020 halving, the initial price was $8,821, and after the halving, after 150 days later, we had $10,943. So you can see that the more you spend time in the market, the better the result. Okay. So in crypto, investing does better than trading, but to invest you need strategy. You can see that when you spend time in the market, okay, all the growth, all the profit that will occur, you get to benefit from them. Okay, but when you time the market, you don't get to benefit from all the profit. Okay, so imagine Solana rising from $10 to $100. Okay, so the people that will enjoy this are people that are in the market, that spend time, okay, that buy and leave it until all this growth happens. All right. So what are the investing strategies that you need? Okay, especially through this period that we are approaching the halving. Okay, a lot of things will be happening. So what are the investment strategies that will help you to make life-changing money in crypto? So the first one is what I call bull run portfolio. Bull run portfolio. So in crypto, bull run takes place every 4 years. Okay, every 4 years, bull run take place. So that means within 4 years, okay, everything that will happen when you want to invest in crypto, you should time 4 years. You should have a strategy. Your time frame should be 10 years. I mean, it should be 4 years. Your time frame should be 4 years. So that means when you buy this year, you are planning to exit to take profit during Bitcoin halving. Okay, it usually happens after Bitcoin halving. Okay. Now let's look at Bitcoin halving and see the performance of Bitcoin. Now this is a chart from Cointelegraph. So this chart shows the performance the historical performance of Bitcoin halving. Okay, once the reward given to miner is halved by 50%, how does the price react? Okay, you can see from this place, you can see that this is the first one. You can see that the price of Bitcoin rose. This is the second one, the price of Bitcoin rose, and this is the price of Bitcoin rose. So this suggests that if we have some crypto asset in our portfolio, then it means as the price of Bitcoin rises, the price of those crypto assets also rises, and we have a life-changing gains. Okay, this is the thesis for bull run portfolio. Okay, so the strategy is to buy good projects with potential and hold them till after Bitcoin halving before taking profit. So that is what I've just explained to you. You look for good crypto asset or good crypto project that you know this project have good team, they have good product, and they have good community. All these things should be in place, and also good accounts or reputable influencers are also buying it, or reputable crypto professionals are also buying it. Then you get this crypto and keep until after having before taking profit. Okay, so let's now look at how does it look like. Okay, an example of bull run portfolio. If you can see my screen very well, um okay, we have okay, so this is like me, or this is like you have a capital of $10,000 and you want to use it to build a bull run portfolio. Okay, so you want to sell the next halving, Bitcoin halving, will happen April this year. So that means you are buying and you are believing that in 2025 you want to sell off, you want to take profit. Okay, and the capital you are using to start this is $10,000. Okay, so you have chosen to buy Bitcoin. You are buying Bitcoin with $2,000, and you are expecting that Bitcoin will become 2x. Like, okay, let's look at the price of Bitcoin as of today. So this is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is 42,000. Let's say approximately 43. Um, approximately $43,000. It is 42,822, which is approximately $43,000. Okay, so you are thinking that okay, after maybe in 2025, the price of Bitcoin will become $100,000. Okay, which is not which is a low prediction, or a low estimate, or a low expectation. Okay, due to two factors: one, the halving, and two, ETF approval or institutional participation in the crypto market or in the crypto industry. Okay, so that is the first asset that you pick. So you believe that this will become, so that means your $2,000 will become $4,000. So Ethereum, you are allocating the $2,000 of your capital. So let's look at Ethereum. This Ethereum is the second most important or demanded crypto. It's currently at 2,314. So you believe that it will do 5x. So that means Ethereum will become something like 11,000 per token. Okay, so Solana, okay, which is a crypto project that is okay, everybody is bullish about. Okay, everybody is bullish about. Okay, so this is Solana. So you believe that Solana will also do 5x from here. We do 10x from here. So that means you believe that the price of Solana will become okay, $1,000. Okay, and that is very possible. Okay, so the next one, you are buying Rune and you are allocating $1,000, and you believe that Rune we also become we have let's look at Rune. Okay, let's look at Rune. Okay, that is third chain. So you believe this is $4. You believe that Rune we have 10x. Okay, that means it will become like $50. Okay, in boron to become like $50 in boron. Okay, then you are buying injective project, and you are believing that you also do 10x injective. So this injective, the current price for injective is $31 dollars. So you believe that it will also do 10x. So which means injective will become 3,000 or 3,000 or $4,000. Okay. Then trade is a reward asset. Okay, I'm not saying you must buy all this. I'm just saying that this is an example of reward of portfolio building. Okay, so trade is 0.9. So you are believing, you are projecting that trade will become 10x. That means trade will become a minimum of $11. Okay, and the last one is link. Okay, you will believe in that link. What is the price? Let's look at link and look at the price at the moment. Chain link. Okay, so chain link is 19, let's say $20 at the moment. You believe it will become $20 will become $200. Okay, it will become $200 in the boron. All right, so this is an example of portfolio. Okay, portfolio building. Okay, now it is boron portfolio because you are buying this asset and keeping and holding them until after boron before you can make profit and take your profit from the market. So the total amount of capital allocated is $10,000 and the expected return is $74,000. If this happens, you are making a profit of $64,000. So this is how people make a life changing money in crypto. It is not a rocket science. It is not complex than this. It is not this. It is as this simple. It is very simple, very easy to understand, very easy to implement. Okay, so if you have any comment, what are the crypto asset or the crypto project that you are looking at for the next bull run? Kindly comment on the comment section. Let's see and let's discuss if it's worth investing in. So the second strategy is pre-sale and whitelist strategy. Okay, so it involves being an early investor in crypto project before they do public sales or before they launch. Actually, this is simply like, okay, you are buying something before it become public. Okay, or you have the privilege of being a few investor that invest in a project, that invest in an asset, that invest in a business before the general public. Okay, in this case the retailers, before they know. Okay, so this means it has potential to make you a life-changing money. Okay, this is one of the easiest ways to make 100x of investment within a short period of time. Example, one of the projects that did that was Satoshi VM. Satoshi VM transformed lives. Okay, transformed lives. Let me show you Satoshi VM. Okay, it was launched on Ape Terminal. Okay, so Satoshi VM, it did an outsized return. It gave outsized returns. Okay, it was launched Satoshi MV. Okay, so this is the Satoshi MV. Okay, so this is Satoshi MV, and when it was launched, so this is Satoshi MV. So when it was launched, and it did a very massive returns. It gave a very massive result up to 100x of return. Okay, so as an early investor, you buy cheaper than many people. When they launch, you sell at higher price. It is simple as that. Okay, so that means you must position yourself for this opportunity, and when it comes, you maximize this opportunity. You buy at a cheaper rate. Then when they launch on centralized exchanges like Bybit, like Binance, okay, OKX, and other KuCoin and other platform, then you sell some percent and make your capital and returns. Okay, so but the next question, which is all very important, is how do I participate? How do I get a whitelist or a pre-sale, which is something that we'll be discussing. So the first thing that you need to do is to join trusted and secure crypto communities and follow trusted Twitter handles. Okay, okay, I think I will need to explain this very well. Now, there's scam, there's cybersecurity threat, there's scam in the crypto market or in the crypto industry. Actually, there's no industry that does not have scam. Okay, yeah, but you need to be careful, and one of the things that you do that will help you, okay, is to join trusted crypto communities, okay, and also secure crypto communities and some individuals in the crypto space that you believe they are honest, they are being sincere, and they are not scammers. Okay, so the coin dollar Twitter handle, the coin dollar community is a good place to it's a good one to join. Kindly click on the check the description and get the link so that you can follow us on Twitter and join our community. So then once we have done that, look for project that want to do pre-sale. Okay, for example, you can see last call, just 12 hours remaining to secure your chance in the Bybit official Web3 IDO. This a pre-sale, okay, by this project called Lens. Okay, they are doing a pre-sale. Then now, because of this, you can see that look for project that want to do pre-sale. So that is an example of a project that is doing, in this case, the IDO. I'm coming to IDO strategy, so that I will explain to you in such a way that you will understand. Then when they open for pre-sale, be fast to submit your wallet or send your money. Okay. Then once the pre-sale is open, you can be the first person to send your money. You have to be alert because in the crypto space, time is money. After they conclude pre-sale, an announcement will be made when they will launch. Once pre-sale is concluded, they will provide information, and accurate and specific information about when they will be launching the project. Upon launching, some percentage will be released to pre-sale investors. So this simply means that once they launch, a percentage will be released of the token that you purchased, will be released to you, and most times this percentage will cover your capital and you make a very good profit or proceed from it. Okay, so that is done. So the next strategy that you need as somebody that want to make a life-changing money in crypto is IDO strategy, which is initial DEX offering. It is sales of token through DEXs. DEXs means decentralized exchanges. This is usually done via a launchpad. So launchpad is a decentralized platform that is used to sell tokens, to sell crypto to early investors. Okay, sometimes a smart contract will randomly pick qualifiers like a lottery model. Okay, there are some launchpad that have lottery model, and they pick people that are subscribed to or to participate in IDO. They pick them, and if you are lucky, this is usually a very lucrative way of investing. So we have many launchpads such as Ape Terminal, Bybit, Web3 Launchpad, among others. So we look at these two. Let's start with Ape Terminal. Okay, so this is Ape Terminal. So Ape Terminal is a platform that launch crypto project. It is an IDO. I mean a launchpad, an IDO platform, a launchpad that launch crypto project. Okay, you can see Ape launch first important tokens in crypto, and this will charge them with cottage MEV tech. So for example, there's a project that is currently doing that the length I showed you. This project length is currently doing an IDO. So this simply means that you come to this place and participate. Okay, so let's look at what is required on the Ape terminal. Okay, so this is the description about the project, everything that you need to know. Okay, but let's go down and look at okay, and look at what you are expected to do. Okay, so in this case, you connect your wallet, and okay, you may need to deposit some money to be qualified. Okay, this IDO details. Okay, let's go. Um, okay, this IDO details. Okay, participants must have at least $200 USDT token, EMV or Ethereum in their connected wallet They are connected wallet. The more you engage on socials, the greater the chances of winning. Create an account to make the check-in process during the lottery phase smoother. So this simply means you must have in your wallet, you must have at least $200 in Ethereum network. Okay, Ethereum network. Then that is one of the things that will qualify you to be choosing to participate in the IDO. Okay, so now many projects launch on Ape Terminal. Okay, aside from this project, there are many projects that have launched, like the Satoshi MV that I showed you about has launched on Ape Terminal, and the result was about up to 100 and above times increase. Okay, so these are the projects that are coming. So you need to keep a track. You need to keep a track. You need to monitor this project. These are the ones that have completed their sales. You need to keep a track. You need to track all these projects. Join their social media handle and know when they will be launching. When they make announcement, then you can take action. So to participate here, you connect your wallet, your MetaMask wallet, okay, MetaMask wallet or other wallet, connect it, ensure that you have deposited the amount necessary to participate in a project. All right, so let's look at Bybit and see. Okay, so this is Bybit. This Bybit Web3. One of the things they do is that they also provide launch pads. Okay, so you can see that this lend they're also doing IDO for lend. Okay, you can see. So the process is you subscribe, they take a snapshot, then lottery is picked at random, then they redeemed. Okay, so do look at the timeline. So the subscription is between on 2nd to on the 5th. Okay, I think it has already expired if you are watching this now. Then the snapshot will be on the 5th to on the 8th. Then the lottery will be on the 8th to will be on the 8th, and the redemption will be on the 8th to on the 9th. That is when it will be launched, and people that are picked, people that invest, we get their allocated tokens. Okay, so these are two examples of IDO platform of launchpad that do IDO, and you need to actually keep this on your monitoring list, okay, on your watch list. Bybit, Web3, and Ape Terminal. These are platforms that you should track and see projects that are coming that I will be launching on this platform. Okay, then how do you participate in IDO? Get information about projects that are about to do IDO. Okay, like the Lend. Okay, they were about doing IDO, and information about them was here. Okay, look at it on February 3rd. Our IDO is also live on Bybit as well as Ape Terminal right now. You can register for a raffle on Bybit at Ape Terminal at. You can see, ensure that the information you get is coming from them and it's not coming from outside. It's not coming from an external source. If it's coming from an external source, it could be a scam. Okay. Find out the launchpad they are using. Okay, like in this information, you can see our launchpad is also going live on Bybit as well as Ape Terminal. So that means they have two launchpad, Bybit Web3, which is what I showed and I explained, and they have Ape Terminal, which is what I also showed and explained. So Ape Terminal, and look at it, Ape Terminal and Bybit Web3 are the two launchpad that they are using. Okay, so the next thing is then when they go live, follow the instructions. Like you can see the instructions for Bybit, you need to deposit some amount of 200, at least $200 on Ethereum network. Then they will take a snapshot. You participate in their social activities, follow all their social media platforms, and be active. Then you'll be choosing. Then wait for the next instruction about the date to launch. So when it is time to launch, in this case now, they'll be launching on the 9th. Okay, they'll be launching on the 9th of February 2024. So once they launch, then you can claim, okay, you can claim your token. Okay, you can claim your token, and you may decide to sell, you may decide to hold. These are some of the projects that have done up to 100x. Inspect is one of the projects, okay, that have done 100x, and Satoshi MV is also a part of the IDO project that have done 100x. All these were launched on Ape Terminal. Okay, so Um, inspect is okay. Look at inspect. Okay, so inspect is okay is a layer two. Okay, for X or for Twitter. Okay, layer two platform for Twitter for X. So the hype around it was so massive, and so when they launched, people made up to 100x, between 10 and 100x. Okay, Satoshi MV. Okay, it's a project. Okay, this is Satoshi MV. So Satoshi MV launched, and okay, this made very crazy money. This made very crazy returns for investors. So it launched on the on Ape Terminal, and it was a hit. Okay, it was a hit. All right, so that is what you need to do. That is, these are the strategies that you need to implement, start executing to make a life-changing money in crypto, millions of dollars in crypto. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed to this channel, like and comment, and okay, turn on your notification bell so that next when we publish our new video, you can get notified. And